Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks. Prep face with a gel-based moisturizer. Conceal acne and dark spots. Blend well with a blending brush. Mattify with a setting powder. Dab a matte gold shade on your lids. Apply a coffee brown shade on your lower lash line. Using an eyeliner, wing it at the tip. Apply mascara. Groom brows with a brush. Bronze cheeks. Highlight cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, forehead and brow bone. Moisturize lips with lip balm. Apply a glossy cherry red lip shade to finish the look.